Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're taking a road trip. Got to do something real special for somebody very special to the channel and everything else. So, we're going to get on the road here. We'll bring you back when we get there and I'll show you what's going on. Alright y'all, we're down here at the Twisted V Twin Garage compound. Like I said, we're going to do a special cooking thing today. It's Sandy's birthday.
Happy birthday to me, yay!
Happy birthday, Mrs. V Twin. So we got a couple smokers fired up here. We're going to do some ribs. We're going to do some burgers, sausages, chicken. What else? What else we got here? I don't know what else we got. What else we figure throwing on here. So we're going to get these things fired up, heated up. We'll get the meat on there and we'll bring you all back.
Wow. This way. Yeah, I know. Let me get my coffee. I think I can shed my foot. Oh, yeah.
I got sand in it.
Alright, y'all. We got a bunch of ribs on there. We got 3 racks of baby backs. We got a bunch of leg and thigh quarters. That was not thunder. That was somebody throwing something in a hopper. So, got that one. And we got this one over here. You know, it's all full of chicken too. Well, like I said, we're going to be putting some sausage on there and some burgers. Alright, y'all. What we got going on here. Got them chickens up there. We just flipped them over. Got them ribs going like that. Everything's looking good. About an hour and 15 minutes into it, so we got a couple more hours yet, and we'll get them suckers all good and cooked up here. Let's go and look at this other one. Now these are marinated garlic and herb. The other ones are just plain. Spritzing the other one down with a little bit of apple cider vinegar just to keep them moist and give them a little bit of flavor, but that's what we got going on. So alright y'all, I don't know if you can all see this, but look at all these people behind me, you know, they're all playing cornhole and stuff and I'm over here cooking, you know. What's up with that, you know? Check that out, you know.
Happy birthday to me, yay!
I mean, look at this. You know, everybody's just out here playing and I'm cooking. How you like that shit? Bear's work's never done.
Mark's don't like this the most.
Hold on a second, it's not ready.
He's already videoing.
Oh, no cursing.
Oh. They say, you say no cursing and she drops the next bomb.
It's alright.
Cast iron
No
pot?
wonder I can.
What is it?
Cast iron?
No, okay, that's what's made
What's
of.
the name of it?
Lodge.
No.
Mom, what is it?
Thing.
Look on the side.
Dutch oven.
Dutch oven.
They don't. I told you they wouldn't get
That's
it.
why I was trying to put it in your bed.
Under the blanket.
My bed is like an oven.
They
No,
told
Mom,
You they won't.
But there's no catalyst naturally in it though.
Alright y'all, them ribs are just about done. We're just searing them off a little bit over some charcoal. We got some smoked sausage up there. We got some andouille sausage back there.
Undefeated, 2-0. After we
A little mild sausage over here. Cooking that stuff up. We'll be throwing some burgers on here shortly. And of course, we got the red hots up here on the top, you know. So, coming along.
Happy birthday to me, yay!
Alright y'all, ribs are all done. We got the grill fired up with some burgers now. Got the asparagus all over there, you know. And Mark's got the Sweet Baby Ray's for the ribs there. We'll put that on here in just a few. And And then over here, we got all the sausage and everything are all done. Them pieces of chicken there are just ones we didn't put in the pan to take them in, keep them warm in the oven. But this is all done here and ready to go. So here we'll be eating here in just a few. Bring you all back in a little bit. We got the chicken down there. It's all done. We got the baby back ribs.
Oh, you ran.
We got the grilled asparagus. We got like 3 different kinds of sausage. Some burgers in there. Of course, we got the beans. And we got, see, we got some pickled eggs there, or deviled eggs. We got some macaroni salad and pasta salad and potato salad and some fruit or pasta salad there. And then we got some other dessert over here. Of course, chips. So there we go.
Happy birthday to me, yay!
I thought you were trading it in. They haven't dropped any incentives yet.
Okay, can I blow it out?
You guys sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sandy.
You look like a
Happy birthday to you.
Ain't got enough candles on there.
You ain't a lion. Come on, catch your hair on fire. Well, your wish ain't coming true.
That's a lot of candles.
Yeah.
Get the baby out of the ring.
We tried to get. We tried to do 59 of them, but
Happy birthday to me, yay!
All right, y'all. It's the next day. It got kind of late there last night after the party. I stuck around for Mark's live stream, and I was there, you know, with him instead of being on my computer. So, but party was a huge success. Everybody loved everything I cooked up and everything. Sorry, this wasn't really a technical cooking video, but I will do one later. We got the smoker all fired up and everything, and give a little insights and techniques and stuff of how I do it. But I do appreciate y'all watching us and hanging out, and make sure y'all go over and, you know, wish Sandy, Mrs. V Twin, a happy belated birthday. And
Happy birthday to me, yay!
if you're new to the channel here, of course, you know, hit that subscribe button for me, ring the bell, get all the notifications we do. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. You know, all comments are welcome. I love them all. I read them all, try to respond to them all. I think that's going to do it for this one. I don't know how long the video is actually going to be. So we'll catch y'all on the next one. Bear appetit. See ya.